So we have been making biodegradable plastic in year 4. And I'm going to ask Lita some questions. What is biodegradable plastic and why have you been making it?
Biodegradable plastic is a plastic which can break down easily, unlike regular plastic which takes 450 years. We have done this because we need to help find a solution to plastic pollution.
What ingredients did you need to make biodegradable plastic?
We needed cornstarch, sugar syrup, vinegar, water, and food coloring, but not always. This is making process. Next we had to fry it, then put it on a gauze.
We molded it in the molder and dried it on the whiteboard.
When we let the bioplastic dry a little bit,
we cut them into shapes and took them into the classroom.
Why don't you make your own biodegradable plastic at home?
Thank you for watching